I feel like it's bees.
Oh my god, yep, we have a bee swarm in our backyard.
Why the bees like going bananas?
I think they're all drinking. They're all in our bird feeder. Here, look, Annie. Look at my camera.
Those are all honeybees. Want to pollinate something for ourselves here? So we want to any sunflowers here for them to pollinate.
That's super cool. Oh, I think they're gonna swarm under the bird feeder.
There.
They are. They're swarming under the feeder. For that bird bath. That is super cool. Yay! Rest, little guys. Babe, do not go out there. Okay. Well, I didn't know if you were gonna like try and get a closer look, but like they're swarming. So, oh my god, there's like a bird. Do you see that bird? Oh my gosh, I've never seen one of those move in. Wow. No, they're not gonna stay permanently, babe. They're just swarming to protect their queen before they move on. I kind of feel honored, you know? They're taking a rest here. I just hope they don't drown in the bird bath. I don't know. No, do not open the window. I don't actually want to open the window either because I'm like worried that if I open the window, if there's any hole in the screen, they could still get in. And I like bees and everything, but not in my house.
Those are irritating.
I know the birds are like,
Fred's not going to your thing, your planter.
They are. I saw a couple over there, but I think right now their goal is to protect their queen. So that's why they're all getting together in a cluster. There's going to be a queen in the center of that cluster. Wow. This is a pretty cool thing. Good thing I just watered my plants yesterday, so I don't have to go out there anytime soon. There's like a bird. Hi, bird. Wow. What the heck?